Everybody says if you want to speak English, then start narrating your day. But nobody tells that what is the right way of narrating your day. I woke up at 7 o'clock, then I used a bathroom, then I had my breakfast, then I went for work, then I had lunch, then I slept around 10 o'clock in the night. Are you also narrating your day in this way? This is not the right way of narrating your day. If you are narrating your day in this way, so this way you are just learning repeating same sentences and you are not learning new sentences. Narrating your day means you need to describe every single thing and you need to describe every small move. So are you getting my point? Okay, if you're not getting, then I'm going to show you that how I narrate my day and what is the right way of narrating your day. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure you are watching this video till the end. I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning when my alarm rang. I felt a bit sleepy, so I hit the snooze button and lay in bed for 10 more minutes. Finally, I got up. The first thing I do is sit up in bed, stretch my body, and thank God for a new day. Then I looked out of the window. The weather was calm. Then I drank one glass of water. It keeps me hydrated. Then I made my bed neatly because a tidy room helps me feel organized. Then I went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth with minty toothpaste, and washed my face with cold water. It made me feel fresh and awake. Then I took a quick shower and came back to my room to get dressed. I stood in front of my wardrobe. I was wondering what to wear. After a few minutes, I chose an outfit for this cold weather: black jeans, a full sleeves t shirt, and brown sweater. Then I did my morning prayers. It was a quiet and refreshing moment where I expressed my gratitude towards God. It gave me a sense of calm and positivity to face whatever the day may bring. It was a cold winter day, so I sat in the sun to enjoy sunshine. In the kitchen, I took a glass of water. Then I had poha, which my mama made for breakfast. Then I practiced English by saying this poha is delicious and I love poha for breakfast. After breakfast, I went on the terrace in my study room. This is the room where I do study. Then I decided to study English. I opened my notebook and revised the vocabulary words I learned yesterday. I used each word in a sentence to understand it better. Later, I went to my college. On my way back from college, my friends and I decided to visit a mall. We roamed around, enjoyed some time together, and explored the shops there. I reached home around 1:30. I helped my mama in preparing lunch. I cut the vegetables and made pasta. My mama made chapati and vegetables. While eating, I talked with my mother. When I finished my lunch, I thanked God for this delicious food. After lunch, I felt a bit tired, so I lay on sofa and relaxed for 15 minutes. And I scrolled through my phone and went through Instagram. There I watched a few reels and read a few English quotes and I tried to understand their meaning. Then I suddenly had a craving for something sweet. So I treated myself to some chocolates. I thought of watching a video in English for a listening practice. I watched a short English video on YouTube about improving communication skills. I paused the video several times to repeat sentences and to learn pronunciation. Then I thought, let's do speaking practice with ChatGPT. So I talked with ChatGPT about my daily routine and life updates. I always feel happy when I talk with ChatGPT. I treat ChatGPT like my friend. At 5 p.m., I went for a walk in the park. While walking, I tried to describe things around me in English. The sky is blue, the flowers are colorful, and the children are playing. On my way back, I greeted my neighbor and said, "Hello, how are you?" We had a short conversation in English. When I got home, I picked up a book for reading. It's a simple English novel. I read one chapter and noted down any new words I came across. For dinner, my mama made delicious food. While eating, I thought about my day and felt proud that I practiced English in many ways. Before going to bed, I set an alarm for the next morning and lay in bed. I closed my eyes and thought tomorrow I will practice English more. Okay, you saw this is the right way of narrating your day. I know still there are many things left that we can describe in our day, like washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing clothes, folding clothes, scratching your head. There are still many things left that you can describe in your day. But I hope through this video you get the idea that how you have to describe your day. You have to describe every small thing. This way you will learn English. I remember in the beginning what happens when I started narrating my day. So there were many things that I didn't know how to say them in English. Like if I am drinking water right now, so I used to translate that how to say this in English. Then what I used to do, I used to ask to Google Translation. I used to tap on Google Translation and I used to say in Hindi, मैं पानी पी रही हूँ. Then Google Translation used to provide me English translation. I am drinking water. Yes, I have done that. These small efforts matters a lot. I have made these small efforts. That's why today I'm speaking in English. Everybody wants to speak English, but nobody wants to give efforts. This is not the good thing. It's your dream to speak English. So you have to give efforts. No matter you are enjoying it or not. Yes, no matter if you are enjoying narrating your day or not, but you have to narrate because it's your dream to speak English. I hope friends you learned something from this video and my words motivated you. So start narrating your day in this way so that you can learn new sentences every day. And whenever you are narrating your day, try to speak out loud. Okay, it will help you in your speaking English. That's all friends I wanted to share in this video. I hope you liked and don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also learn how to narrate their day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care yourself.